In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for task management. We'll walk through setting up a simple task management system from scratch using a built-in template, and then I'll show you how to add tasks and track their progress. Start by logging into your ClickUp account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side where your spaces are listed. A space is like a big container for a team, a project, or a department. Choose the space where you want to manage your tasks. Next to that space name, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on that plus icon to add something new inside this space. When the options open up, you'll be given a few choices for what to create. Here, instead of building everything from scratch, we're going to speed things up by using a pre-made setup. Click on the option labeled Templates. This takes you to ClickUp's template library, where there are structures already designed for common workflows. In the Templates view, look for the Task Management template. This template comes with lists, statuses, and views that are already tailored to managing tasks in a simple, visual way. Click on Task Management to select it, and then click on Use Template. You'll now be asked to name the folder that will contain this task management setup. Type in a clear, descriptive folder name, such as the name of your project or team. This helps keep things organized, especially if you use multiple folders in the same space. Once you've entered the name, click Use Template again to confirm and start creating the folder. ClickUp will now generate your folder with all the lists and views included in the task management template. This can take a little time, usually around 10 to 15 seconds, depending on your connection and the size of the template. Just wait for it to finish loading before you continue. When everything is ready, you'll see your new folder and its lists. To start adding work, click on Add Task. This is where you can create individual tasks, give them names, due dates, assignees, and any other details your team needs. To monitor progress visually, click on the Progress Board view. This usually shows your tasks organized in columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. As your work moves forward, you can click on any task card and drag it into another column. For example, from To Do into In Progress to reflect its current status. And that's it. You've set up task management in ClickUp, added tasks, and learned how to